Wind instruments. Any instrument whose tone is produced by a vibrating column of air. In the organ, the wind supply is mechanically produced. Other instruments are blown by the performer and are divided into two groups: the woodwinds and the brass winds or brasses. The woodwinds include the flute family, flute, piccolo, flageolet, and recorder. The oboe family, oboe, English horn, bassoon, and contrabassoon. And the clarinet family. Brasses include the French horn, the trombone, the trumpet, and cornet, and the tuba. The material, metal or wood, and the shape, straight or wound, are less important than the length of the pipe, which affects the pitch, and the mouthpiece, which affects the timbre. Kinds of mouthpieces are the mouth hole, as in the flute and piccolo, the reed, a thin strip of wood, cane, or metal which vibrates as air is forced over it, a single reed distinguishing the clarinet family, and the double reed distinguishing the oboe family. The funnel-shaped mouthpiece of the French horn, and the cup-shaped mouthpiece, the trombone, trumpet, and tuba. From earliest times, fingers were used on side holes in the piccolo, flageolet, and recorder to shorten or lengthen the air column temporarily. In the 18th and 19th century, various mechanical devices such as slides in the trombone and crooks and valves in the French horn, trumpet, and tuba were developed. The wind passage of an instrument is called its bore and may either be cylindrical, as in the flute, clarinet, trumpet, and trombone, or conical, as in the oboe, French horn, and tuba. The flared edge of a wind instrument is called the bell. The principal modern flute is a transverse flute. It is held horizontally, and the player blows across the mouth hole. The same is true of the piccolo. It replaced the less expressive recorder, which, like the flageolet, is held vertically and has a whistle-shaped mouthpiece. The oboe, sometimes called hautboy, the English horn, the alto of the oboe family, known by its pear-shaped bell, the bassoon, bass of the oboe family, called fragiato in Italian because of its resemblance to a bundle of sticks, and the larger, deeper toned contrabassoon are distinguished by their expressive, melancholy tone. There are many kinds of clarinets, e.g., bass clarinet, A clarinet, E flat clarinet, and horns, e.g., E flat, and D, used in military bands. But the B flat clarinet and F horn are the ones in standard orchestra use today. Although its single reed makes it a member of the clarinet family, the saxophone is a hybrid instrument having a conical bore, like the oboe, and being made of metal, like the brasses. The tuba, larger than the trumpet and therefore lower pitched, is often confused with other instruments that play the low brass parts in orchestra and band, such as helicon or sousaphone, euphonium, flugelhorn, baritone, saxhorn, Wagner tuba.